My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Gyza. This ransomware, by the way, is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. And I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, but I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. Before the ransomware attack, you were able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them. And it also appends this Gyza extension to the file names. As a result, it is impossible to use the data anymore. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. The ransom amounts to $980 US. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to get rid of this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software. And my recommendation is that you remove this Gyza ransomware with the help of Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. But before, I want to show you the negative impact of this ransomware. So pretty soon you will notice that the files have been given this Gyza extension, and it is then just impossible to basically use the data anymore. So anyway, these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. As you can clearly see, this Gyza extension has been appended to the file names. But once again, I urge you not to pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So through the official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. You need to click on this start scan button, and then the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the system. But first of all, it might update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner will then give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during this scan. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. At the end of the scan, you will see the full report. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.